Hi, I am Abdul. I have $1 and let's see what we eat in $1. $1 is equal to 300 rupees in Pakistan. Now we are trying cheapest food in Pakistan, street food. Now I am trying street food from Pakistan. This is rice. Each plate costs 50 rupees and three plates 150. 150 rupees in American country, half a dollar. Now we are reach and another cart and we are trying some sweets in half a dollar. In our language, we say it jalebi. So what you say in your language? Please comment. So guys, our $1 channel is complete. Seriously, in my belly fat, no more space to eat anything. I am full.